Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm your host and friend from Washington State. Today I bring very authentic, very famous recipe from Ethiopia. Inshallah, this recipe we make with the injera bread and they call Fir-Fir. Yes, we start the Fir-Fir. First off, we turn on the stove. Bismillah. Fir-Fir is the very popular dish in Ethiopia. Ethiopian people like this dish. Basically, these ingredients with the injera bread, dry injera bread, and stay with me and I show you how can make the Fir-Fir. And this stage we add some liquid cooking oil. And in this condition we're going to add 1 full spoon garlic paste and mix in very well. Some salt, and we're going to add 2 spoons Fir-Fir spices. That's special Ethiopian spices called Fir-Fir. I'm going to mix it. Going to add some water. Now we're going to add injera, dry injera. And mix it. Going to add some water. Yeah, Fir-Fir is ready. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. This optional. This green chili is optional. If you like it, put, otherwise skip it, and your dish is ready. So if you like this recipe, please share, subscribe, and follow my channel. Thank you very much. See you in next video.